For this recipe, we're using 4 mini Bundt pans. Butter up the inside of the mini Bundt pans. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies. You don't want your mini cake sticking to the pans. Then lightly coat the inside with all-purpose flour. Once the inside has been coated evenly, dump any excess flour. Transfer the mini cake pans to a baking tray and set them aside. Then, in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, followed by half a cup of unsalted butter. Now, in a saucepan over medium-low heat, add 4 cups of water. To melt the chocolate and the butter, place the bowl over the saucepan. Stir the chocolate and butter until melted and smooth. And once melted, go ahead and set it aside. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add 2 large eggs, followed by 2 egg yolks. To the eggs, add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Using an electric mixer, beat at medium speed. Continue beating until thick and pale yellow. And once it looks like this, you're good to go. Then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, followed by the melted butter and chocolate. Using a spatula, fold the flour and chocolate mixture until combined. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 230 degrees Celsius. Then transfer the batter to the prepared mini Bundt pans. Now bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 to 8 minutes, or until the sides of the cakes are firm but the center is jiggly. And if everything goes according to plan, your mini chocolate Bundt cakes will look like this. Let them rest in the pan for 1 minute. When you are ready to serve, place a plate over and flip it over. These mini chocolate Bundt cakes are best when they're still warm. To finish it off, sift powdered sugar on top. And you may garnish with strawberries on the side. You may also serve with a scoop of your favorite ice cream. And now you are ready to eat. Ooh. There you guys have it, mini chocolate Bundt cakes. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.